Right, we're in the Rainforest Cafe or restaurant. Look, and everybody's trying to choose what they want to eat. Look at the concentration in everybody's face. Jill's obviously chosen hers, so she hasn't looked at the
Do I
menu.
just
One
get
or the
the
other.
elephant?
Oh, and we've got an elephant there, and we've got a woman's back. And we've got... We'll have to come back to that. Oh, there we go. Look! He was just moving a minute ago until I put the video camera on, and now he stopped.
Yeah. Do you get the voice then? Does it come out on
Yes,
there?
as long as I don't zoom in and out too much.
Don't be zooming in on me.
Look at the concentration. Look
Dave,
at,
this is
look at
Dave sleeping,
Isabel.
no sleep.
Isabel's trying to read through 100 pages there of the menu. The concentration of the rainforest. Jan, she's looking for a fag. You
Having a
can't smoke in
fag?
here. It might
No, I
look
can't have
like
a
the
fag.
outside, but it's not, Jan.
I'm trying to wipe my nose.
Lorraine's looking sophisticated.
I'm looking
with
for
her
a drink.
glasses on.
The drink I want. Do they sell lager?
That's right, Mom.
Yes, there
I
is
couldn't
beer
find
in
the
there.
beer in
There
there.
is beer.
The biggest beer,
Foster's.
please.
Yes, Foster's.
Have they got 1664
Yes,
now?
they're all right.
All
They got
right,
Kronenberg.
okay.
Like this white is quite
Cheaper to have a large.
Yeah.
It's $5.20 for small, $7.50 for a large. Crikey, that's dear, isn't it?
Oh, they've only got about 2 or 3 choices. 2 choices.
Kronenberg and Foster's.
Right, well, nobody's saying anything to me except for Jan. Look at Jan's zoom on that.
Wow.
It's like mine, but black. We only just know.
Very nice.
Well, there you know. Another zoom on there.
Another Burma.
Oh, look, there's a gold woman down there. She's like a fountain or something. What is she? Yeah, rainforest woman.
Wiped out now.
Oh, is it?
Once you put the video on there.
Oh, yeah, it's gone. My back is